Ay, apat! those times, I wanted to be out of my so-called comfort zone. For more than 6 years, I have been employed in a company. I've gotten the feeling of being stuck out in a work-ordered room with all the pressures and stresses. Take note, pressures and stresses. Pressures and stresses, not just from my employer, but also from our customers, the BIR reports, Chevron Weststock's reports, and other paperworks. And the most is the ups and downs of oil prices. But to make the long story short, Dr. Aida Vinasco offered me a nursing assistant course that I took up. Na nung umpisa, parang ayoko pa. Kasi bago. Pero tumagal-tagal, eto na ako. Nakagraduate naman. Now I'm here, together with my fellow graduates, to celebrate the accomplishments we just made. We are all proud of ourselves for having made it through. After 7 months or more, seeing through our schooling to its completion. We have spent hours studying, writing, hours of listening lectures, doing practicals, and of course, hours of duty. And it's not how long it took us to get to today, but it's how we set of the minute. Like it or not, the lifestyle we just enjoyed during our days in school has come to an end, and now our turns to shape our lifestyle for the future. Whatever lies in our destiny, we all know that in some way or the other, without ITPSI academy, we will never be able to make decisions with me. Sabi nga ni Dora, your future is here. Sa there's a lot that could be said in gratitude, but what I can say right now is thank you. Thank you to our Almighty God for everything, blessings, panyan, adversities in life. Thank you pa rin. To my family, my friends, for always being there for me in every step of the way, no matter what. To Dr. Aida Vinasco, thank you so much. I won't be here kung hindi dahil sa'yo. To Miss Love, alam mo na yun.
Secret? Ano ba yan?
And to our staffs and instructors, thank you. You played a huge role by guiding us, taught us the skills, and of course, taught us the importance of making up patience. Pasensya, mahabang pasensya. Sa mga kaibigan ko, si Jackie, si Ate Kate, and also Amaya and Lawrence, even though they're not around, sa kanila ko natutunan ng mahabang pasensya. Before I leave this stage, I just want to have a simple message to my fellow graduates. I hope that the hard work that we put in during our school and duty days and the relationship we formed have helped shape us into capable adults, people who are ready to face the challenges ahead with a healthy attitude. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams and live the life you have imagined. Congratulations. Thank you so much and a blessed afternoon to each and everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Grace, for that very inspiring message. That before our closing remarks, may I call on Grace to say something and of course, the acknowledgement.
In your message, on behalf of our IDPSI students, life's too short to be sitting around miserable and to have regrets. So you must enjoy your lives. Fight for what you think is right. Never ever give up on your dreams. For you must remember, it is not about the destination. It's always about the journey to that destination. So a dream will only be worth getting if you strive hard to reach it. For example, sing even if you're off key. Do not go with others' opinion. As long as you're happy and you're not stepping into others' dignity, do it. Reach your goals. That's our main message. Even if you have so much haters, just bear in mind that in every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. And those haters are just confused admirers. We have created a great bond. A bond that you can call a friend's bond. But that is family. In a very short period of time, we have learned to love each other. So like branches of a tree, our lives may grow into different directions. Still, our root remains as one. I hope this is not the end of our story, but the beginning of a new one. I truly hope this is not goodbye. We all love you. We all thank you. We all see you soon. And lastly, congratulations.
Thank you, Grace, for that wonderful message.
Just any song I can dance, I can fly, can touch the rain.